You have spent several days researching your particular natural disaster and deciding which notes to use in your paper. Today I want to show you how to use the graphic organizer to draft an informative report. I have my graphic organizer and blank paper. I know from looking at the checklist and the graphic organizer that the first part of the draft should be the introduction. The introduction should name the topic and define the topic. On the graphic organizer, I wrote Earth moves and shakes, one time every 30 seconds, around the world. I can't just rewrite that, so I'm going to have to think about how to put that into sentences. I can say, when the Earth moves or shakes, that's called an earthquake. They happen one time a minute all around the world. Or wait, maybe I could just draw the reader in with a question. I can write, can you imagine what it would feel like if the Earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it's called an earthquake. Earthquakes occur about one time every minute all around the world. I need to check my graphic organizer again and see if there's anything I'm missing for the introduction. That's right, I wrote unnoticeable to huge destruction, but I need to write that in a sentence or two. I added, some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. Let's read what we've written so far. Can you imagine what it would feel like if the Earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it's called an earthquake. Earthquakes occur about one time every minute all around the world. Some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. I want to check my graphic organizer to make sure my paragraph has all the ideas I plan to represent. Earth moves and shakes. I have that here when I ask the reader a question about feeling the Earth moving under their feet. One time every minute around the world. I have that right here too. And define the topic, that is right here when I tell the reader that when the Earth moves and shakes, it's called an earthquake. Good, it looks like I have all the ideas I plan to write and wrote more in my draft than on my graphic organizer. Today you have two jobs. Complete your graphic organizer. If you have not done so, today you have two jobs. Number 1, complete your graphic organizer. Number 2, if you've completed your graphic organizer, then write your introduction paragraph. If you finish early, please add new details, facts, and definitions to your graphic organizer.